members of the Cabrera family, musicians from the different uniform sectors of the government such as police, army, and navy, as well as talent from the Hong Kong Disneyland and the Philippine Morning Orchestra come together to form Banda Kapiao Incorporated. With such an impressive booster of talents, it was not surprising that the band received awards from different competitions and performed at different venues like the